good and in bad, in sickness and in health, no? Makita na to, tantaw na to ang kamaayo sa Ginoo sa ato ang mga kinabuhi. Nabay pads, key of G. You can sing with me. Atong move on natin. Ay, sorry, Pastor Christian ako. Assistant. Kaya namdom ko sa una, ang assistant ko ni dati, murag kay kuyog si iyang papa, Pastor Gani. Transition yun. Pastor, sorry kayo, ma-extend yun kaya ka hindi ko ma-extend yun. Wala yun, sige. Pwede mo tanaw sa lyrics dito. This is a very familiar song. Ginakanta ni Linday, dili na ko nang ginakanta. Kung na-try o makaya na ko ito yung ginakanta. Everybody falls sometimes. Gotta find the strength to rise from the ashes and make a new beginning. Anyone can feel the ache, and it's more than you can take. But you're stronger than you know. Sing it with me. Don't you give up now. The sun will soon be shining. You gotta face the clouds to find the silver lining. Sing. I see dreams that move the mountains, hope that doesn't never end, even when the sky is falling. I see miracles just happens, silent prayers get answered, broken hearts become brand new. That's what faith can do. It doesn't matter what you heard, impossible is not a word. It's just a reason for someone not to try. Everybody's scared to death when they decide to stay. That's that out on the water, and it will be alright. Life is so much more than what your eyes are seeing. You will find your way if you keep believing. To the chorus. I see trees on the mountains, the dancing evergreens, even when the sky is falling. I see miracles just happen, silent prayers get answered, broken hearts become brand new. That's what faith can do. Overcome the odds when you don't have a chance. When the world says you can't, it will tell you that you can. I see dreams that move the mountains, hope that doesn't never ends, even when the sky is falling. I see It's just happen. Silent prayers get answered. Broken hearts become brand new. That's what faith can do.